We're going to say goodbye to the drizzly weekend and hello to this gorgeous day to get outside. A lot of people enjoyed the sunshine along Portland's Eastern Prom this afternoon. Some of the food trucks were also open. Perfect weather to throw a frisbee, take the kids to the playground, or even just sit in the grass and soak up some sun.
So nice.
And I feel like this is just the start of what we have for a couple of nice days this week, right, Keith?
Yeah, it's a good stretch. You're only seeing me here today because we had scheduling conflicts. Because the next couple of days are just great. It's like one of the few advantages to being a weather person is like you can usually jump everybody else on trying to get really nice days off.
Yeah.
We have to request our time off like weeks in advance.
I
It's
know.
funny how that
It's the
works,
beginning of
right?
the year.
But you guys are important, and I'm not. So I just try to get nice
and
days
it's
off.
on the record.
Delete the clip. 58 in Portland right now, 57 in Pittsburgh. We saw an onshore flow, so we cooled down pretty drastically along the coast. And you can see that onshore flow cooled down even out to about Lewiston, but you get away from there and we're in the 70s. It's worth noting that the top of Mount Washington is 54 degrees right now, and Southwest Harbor is 53. So the ocean this time of the year is worse than being way up in elevation when it comes to temperature. Frenchville, 77 to 77 in Presque Isle too. Had some clouds out there today, not many, and we burned most of them away. So a nice late afternoon and into the early evening coming up here. Temperatures drop down into the low 50s eventually by later this evening, probably more clouds, especially along the coastline. So we may start with some clouds tomorrow morning along the coast and just a bit inland, but we break them out to a mixture of sun and clouds. Temperatures easily in the 70s, upper 70s, inland some low 80s too. Along the coast, probably 60s, mid to upper 60s. Place like Bar Harbor out to Eastport, Machias, probably even cooler than that. This model has Freiburg at 87. Pop-up showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Not a lot of coverage here, but there will be a chance of them, and some of them could actually have some heavy downpours as they pull through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And then we have a mild night tomorrow night and a really hot day on Wednesday. I toyed with, what is this, warm or hot? But I mean, mid to upper 80s is hot, right? Any time of the year in northern New England. I think we'll see quite a few upper 80s, even some low 90s, or 90 flat probably. From Lewiston to Freiburg to Sanford, that triangle there has a chance to get to 90 degrees on Wednesday afternoon with an isolated shower or storm. So here's what I'm thinking for high temperatures. Wiscasset, I think, could get to 80. Portland could get up to 85, but that's the ballpark. Mid to upper 80s elsewhere and some low 90s out there. One more really warm day on Thursday, and then a front comes through, cools us down Thursday afternoon with some showers and storms. Friday looks good. Saturday and Sunday look good. Memorial Day itself looks a little sketchy to me because we've got a low down here and a front up here. Probably that's going to result in onshore flow and showers. That's just kind of the vibe I get from it. There's still time for that to change, but it does not look like it will be amazing on Memorial Day as it is right now. So again, isolated shower storm Tuesday, hot scattered shower on Wednesday. More consistent shower activity Thursday afternoon. That's when we start to cool down. Pleasant though, on Friday on the other side of the front, we can afford to lose 5 or 10 degrees and still be in good shape, which we'll do Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So upper 60s to around 70 on over the weekend, but with sun, a mixture of sun and clouds, I think that's really nice. And then, yeah, Memorial Day, we'll see if we can do any better than that. But right now, I'd say 2 out of the 3 weekend days look good.
Yeah, not bad.
Good ratio, yeah.
Thanks, Keith.